what I'm doing.
I'm gonna go to this lobby, as a disguise. And, I'm gonna, play sounds. So yeah, let's do this. Alright, let me get the sounds ready.
We're doing monkey marathon in level 11 with the baby in the vents.
Just hear those sleigh bells tingling a ring a ting a tingling a too. Ring a ling a ling a ding dong ding. It's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with a Jew. Ring a ling a ding a ding.
Everybody go to level 11. Everybody go to.
I'm here, guys, I'm here.
We're doing monkey marathon.
I'm here.
Okay, we're gonna do monkey
Yeah,
marathon.
Mom?
Soundboard kid. You have to sound ear. Okay,
yeah.
Everybody go to the vents. Everybody go to the vents. Ear. We're doing.
She did it at the
Can somebody teach me how to play monkey marathon in the vents? Okay, go. What's up, dude?
Alright, I'm the
Guys,
same
we
guy.
can't hide. We can't hide. We gotta run, guys. Okay?
I'm the
3,
same
2, 1,
soundboard
run.
guy. I was the guy that was
No, we run out.
that you were telling me to stop.
Stupid ugly baby. He's an ugly baby. If you die, you die. We're gonna do this no matter what. Come on.
Mom, guys, I gotta go eat. Okay, guys, I'll join back to the code soon. Alright. Oh, wait. Nope, the baby's not coming. It's been a holly jolly good.
No, everything's
Alright.
fine. Chill.
Bye.
Chill. Bro, I think we've got his pampers, bro.
Anyways, yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed that video. And I know it's really short. Peace out.